So we've got 2 massive bagfuls of Saturday's character wear out. Another one in, we'll happy hour ends, hey mum. Bottoms up. Lily Springs happy hour with you, hey mum. 20 minutes at Stargazers, and actually another 2 drinks in. Oh my god. Welcome to the next vlog. We are in celebration for Dad's very first time here. Just about to go to the downtown diner on this corner for breakfast. Can't wait to eat here again. Mum's on the mimosas. Dad's had bagels.
We'll save you a pot in case you want.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to need it, my duck.
Mum's had the yogurt parfait. It's very nice. I've had the same as what me and Matt had before. I'm just waiting for it. Little tail sticking its head out of water. Oh yeah, look, yeah, have you seen it move? Yeah. What were your thoughts to your breakfast then?
Oh, lovely. Yeah, I love these sliders. Yeah, really nice.
Nice, weren't they?
Yeah.
Seen 2 massive turtles.
Yeah.
They're huge, they are, aren't they? There's 3 of them now, they're all together.
Yeah,
Just
that one in the middle is massive, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, it's huge. You are you?
No, I'm not.
I actually thought it was going to go through it then. Yeah, I did. No, Dad slips. So what do you think of the celebration, Dad, for your first time, is it?
It's lovely, yeah. Really nice. Yeah, I enjoyed it.
It's hot. Oh God.
I like Billy Butcherson, right? $15 though.
So we've got 2 massive bagfuls of Saturday's character wear out. I'm just coming Under Armour again. I'm already filling this up again. Never expected to day, Matt. Another $138 later. Matt's got, it's not all mine this time.
Yeah, I've
Matt's
got some stuff this time.
Quite a few t-shirts as well.
Yeah.
Mum and Dad spent $215 in there, with a big bag there.
Yeah. That's a good start.
But Dad just wears all Under Armour stuff as well. So he waits till he comes over here, gets a massive bag.
A massive bag.
My mum's in a very posh bar. Been dropped off at Disney Springs, haven't we?
We have.
We're already on our happy hour to Sangria. That's what the happy hour is. We've only got 20 minutes till it ends, so we're going to down these and order one, aren't we? Sangria. I've had frozen sangria, Mum's had normal. Both same price, very, very strong, aren't they?
Yes,
Very strong.
they are.
My mum's just got another one in. Well, happy hour ends, hey mum?
Yes. We'll have a happy hour, alright.
Bottoms up.
The orange is nice.
Cheers, mum.
Cheers, my darling.
Me and my mum's at Stargazers, aren't we? We ordered down the first drinks to get the visual happy hour. We've sorted our next ones. So happy hour's finished now. We've got them in, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
Lily Springs happy hour with a view, eh, mum? Drink with a view. Drink with a view. A drink with a view.
Yes, definitely. That one's empty nearly.
Mum was saying we only had 20 minutes at Stargazers to get in happy hour drinks. But well to do 2 each. We only had, how long did we have at Julio's?
Not long.
We had about 20 minutes at Julio's as well before that ended, so we've got 2 drinks in there. 20 minutes at Stargazers, and actually another 2 drinks in. We've had to dine them to get in, haven't we? it's next morning. Come to Kiki's Breakfast Cafe for the very first time. I'm feeling a little bit rough this morning after all our strong drinks last night, eh Mum?
Yes, daughter.
Looks to be a very popular place, hasn't it? I've got to wait 30 minutes
Yeah, it's
for a
popular.
table.
Yeah.
Building looks brand new, doesn't it? So we can't have been here long.
All the buildings around here look new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down the Lazy Dog on Early Bronson Moor Highway. So whilst me and Mum was at Disney Springs last night doing a bit of a bar crawl, you and Dad went to see Brothers Osborne at
And
Hard
Cadillac
Rock.
3. Yeah, Hard Rock Live. Yeah. Brilliant.
You have to excuse my voice this morning, it's very croaky from all the shouting over the music last night at Disney Springs.
Oh, it got quite busy though, didn't it? Disney
Yeah,
Springs last night.
yeah, it was rammed last night. Me and Mum was at Stargaze for a few hours, but they had a live,
Musician.
not band, I mean, yeah, musician, like one person with his guitar and singing. So we're all shouting all night, me and Mum, so my voice is a bit croaky this morning. Oh my god, this looks incredible. Wow. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Are we all full?
Oh, yes.
Thirsty.
Matt, are we full?
Very.
We've had to have to-go boxes, and we even had a to-go drink as well. We just couldn't fit it all in.
No.
Well worth it.
I've been to Kiki's, well worth going. Try it. Never been before. So I just want to show you the things we bought from the Disney Character Warehouse. Yesterday we went to the Orlando Premium Outlets. So this is what we bought. This is the Ogre Cantina Tiki mug. I can't remember what price it said it was, but the sticker underneath says $9.99. Matt's peeled off the sticker. That's his, that is, to put his Blue Moon in. These glasses were in this packaging. Again, they had quite a few Ogre's Cantina stuff. They was in this packaging. So a set of 4 glasses. They're not, I thought they was plastic tumblers, and they are glass. And price for these were $49.99, marked down to $9.99. I kind of wish we bought another set of those actually. The next time we go back next week, if they've got them left, I will buy some, or I will buy some more. And then we also have bought these plates. So these are Haunted Mansion plates, and they were $39.99, marked down to $14.99. Just show you these. And then the Hatbox Ghost. And then Matt bought himself a magic band. So this one is off the Galactic Star Cruiser, and I can't remember what it said. It should have been in bronze, whatever that is, but it's marked down to $12.99. So Matt bought himself one of those. Remember from the other shopping haul that I did at Disney Springs when we went last, they had this, I bought this jacket but in purple. Well, this time when we went, they've got it in this like greeny colour, teal colour, and it's marked down to $19.99, so I bought myself one of those as well. A Mandalorian and Grogu t-shirt. Should have been $39.99, marked down to $14.99. And then I bought myself Walt Disney World 50th anniversary t-shirt. And this should have been $36.99, down to $9.99. Absolute bargain. Matt bought himself another Star Wars t-shirt, and that's the back. Should have been $34.99, down to $12.99. So our total cost for all that stuff was $112.80, which will get one more visit at the Character Warehouse before we leave next week. So we will go next week at some point. And if I've still got some of them glasses, I'm going to get some more of those, I think. And hopefully I'll find myself a magic band. They do have a couple of others, but nothing that I would have worn. I've got to pick Mum and Dad up from Universal Studios. I've had to stay here, finish painting. So I've painted the entire inside of the cupboard the entire unit itself and down the side, and Matt's also put on a new piece of wood at the bottom. So yeah, we're looking a lot better now. I shall film Mum and Dad's reaction for them seeing them to what they were before. Matt's got to put the handles on yet, but they're still a bit wet. So yeah, looking a lot better. Yeah, these are the glasses from Disney's Character Warehouse, the O Cantina ones. Just re-recording this clip because I don't think I've showed them in the clip before. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Absolute pain in the arse to paint. Awful to paint.
Is that because you've got to get
So like
awkward angles?
Yeah, so like
and what?
three coats.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's new side.
Oh, let's have a look. Oh, Matt, that looks loads better.
To what it was before.
Yeah. Oh, it does. Oh, it has.
Oh yeah,
Doesn't it?
proper job. Yeah, it's a good job that.
Yeah.
And the side.
Wow, and you painted all in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that looks great. Looks brand new, isn't it?
It's tarted it up a bit.
It has.
Yeah, that piece looks great, Matt, on there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Blends in lovely.
Well done
Yeah, a lot better.
Yeah.
then. Oh,
Yeah, steaks from Matt today. Yeah.
So we've just made it down to Winter Garden for the very first time. None of us have ever been here before. And after we've had a walk around here and had some lunch somewhere, we're gonna make our way to Universal, aren't we?
we are, yes. A bit later on because they're open till 8 today, so no rush to get there.
Well, first impression of Winter Garden. It's beautiful, isn't it, around here?
Very nice. That's City Hall.
That's City Hall, is it?
Yeah, look, lovely up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's another blistering hot day today here in Orlando. It's going to be about another 29 degrees today, although it already feels like that at the moment. It's only 11 o'clock. It's very nice around here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's spacious.
Wow.
Isn't it?
Yeah. We haven't even got to the shops yet, Mum.
What's the place to sit?
Yeah.
Oh god. Whoa! Oh my god! What was that? Was it? They were ginormous. That flew in my face. You just what sounded like a pterodactyl, didn't it? There's a full nest. Up there, birds.
There's one down in the far corner.
It doesn't sound like a dinosaur though.
It did at first, yeah.
All of them.
Yeah.
Like a raptor.
So we're all around Winter Park, except for the cricket can. All got, well Matt hasn't, but we've got pineapple cider in the cricket can.
Very nice.
Very nice, yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, nice, sweet.
Absolutely gorgeous. We all had a little one, because we're not sure whether we would have liked it or not. And it cost, was it $5, wasn't it, for a little one?
Yeah.
For a small drink.
Yeah,
Yeah,
lovely.
they're very nice.
You'll have to have one tonight.
Yeah, we will do. Yeah, I look forward to
Your
Blue
Blue
Moon. Yeah.
So just leaving Universal Studios. I've not filmed anything today because it's pretty much the same stuff what I filmed the last time we was here. But what I did want to say was, at some point this week, the next time I come back to Universal Studios, I'm going to film a wheelchair vlog specifically on wheelchair accessibility for Universal Studios, because we just got back to the car, we parked in the disabled parking, because some of you may have noticed on pictures and vlogs that Mum's in a wheelchair for this trip, and basically that's because very recently she had a foot operation just before we came to Florida, and also she can't stand in queues for 45 minutes to an hour. So for the first time we've had to research on how we go about in a wheelchair and how that all works. So for the next vlog for Universal, I will be doing a dedicated wheelchair accessibility vlog for Universal Studios and how it all works. So you're watching a real-time Lauren and Matt here because I've just edited the vlog and realised that we didn't end it in Florida. So we're going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do enjoy videos, please give us a subscribe. We are currently on our way to our first 1,000 subscribers, and we'd really like to hit that by the end of this year.
So if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, leave a comment below, like the video, it all really helps the channel to grow.
So as always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Bye.